Also in Hampton, a possible appeal of the sentencing of Cory Bigsby.
It all stems from some disorder in the court right before Bigsby got the maximum sentence. He's going to prison for the next 45 years, but there could be an appeal on that time based on something that happened within his defense team. 10 on your side's Chris Horn continues our coverage of this story for us tonight. Chris?
Lennon, Tuesday's sentencing hearing was almost over before it began. Cory Bigsby's attorney said they weren't ready, but a legal expert says that move might have been more strategy than incompetence. Cory Bigsby's attorney said they did not have enough time to review his pre-sentence report with him, even though they had received it well before the minimum amount of review time. Judge James Hawks denied defense attorney Amina Matheny-Willard's motion for 2 extra weeks, even after she said it could give Bigsby grounds for appeal on the basis of ineffective counsel. Former Commonwealth's attorney Harvey Bryan says the best Bigsby could hope for on appeal would be a re-sentencing and ending up with nothing better than what he has now.
Judge Hawks will give him the same sentence 3 months from now, 6 months from now that he gave him yesterday.
Another potential grounds for appeal, a murder conviction without a body. 3-year-old Cory Bigsby was never found.
You don't have to produce a body if you have convinced the jury beyond a reasonable doubt that, in fact, a homicide occurred.
And defense attorney Curtis Brown said Tuesday after the sentencing, the jury was unfair back in March because it didn't represent the people of Hampton.
When you come to Hampton, you expect to get more blacks than you do anything else. But that wasn't the case. We had 9 and 3.
But Bryan says that's not likely to stand up on appeal either.
Unless on appeal they can show substantial evidence that the jury was prejudiced because the defendant was black.
And some took offense at the suggestion that a majority black jury would have found Bigsby not guilty of beating his son to death.
Well, they should be offended by it because that's just ridiculous, frankly.
And defense attorney Matheny-Willard told us yesterday they do plan to appeal. She would comment no further. Chris Horn, 10 on your side.